Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to prove about this one. So for the first one, we know that tan x, that is about sin x over cosine x. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, cosine x squared multiplied by number 1 and this one. So, cosine x squared simplified by cosine x squared. So we have only sin x squared. And this is why this one equals to this one. Now let's go to this one. So we have the formula in here. So I will put about cosine x squared go to the right. So we need to transform sin x squared into 1 minus cosine x squared. So negative will change the sign of this one. So cosine x squared, that is about number 2 cosine x squared minus number 1. Now let's go to the last one. We use this one. And now we have this formula in here. So I will put sin x squared go to the right. And now we need to transform cosine x squared into this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.